Hello everybody, welcome back to my first Scratch video, and in today's video we will be attempting to make a game in Scratch without a tutorial. So as I was saying, I just had to get rid of something really quick. You are going to want to do like a pretty darkish block like this for now. Making it maybe 30 by 30 possibly. Yep. Right there. Or you could do, 20 by 20. Whatever you want to do. I am just going to do a 26 by 26, but 24 by 24. So you're going to want to copy that, and then do that same thing. Like, don't delete the costume, just change the color of the fill tool. Then duplicate it again, and then change it into gray. So, in your code, you are going to want to do when flag clicked, go to X negative 228 and Y minus 168. Now you're going to see it goes to corners. You can try and go. Let's just do this real quick. Divided by 24 is 9.5. Right? 226 divided by 24 is that 224 is 9.3, 221, 220, 218, 216. Yep, so actually you're going to want to do minus 216, I think. Let's just leave it at negative 228. Sorry for the confusion. And then we're going to use two blocks that are going to be our main thing: the repeat block and the create clone block. So it's going to be repeat 10, change Y by. Now, this is how you can tell what you're actually changing by. If you look here, the first and second number both say 24, so you would put in 24. But if it was different, you would put in the last number, because X and Y. Now repeat that by 10. But at the end, I'll change X to 24 and then set Y to 8. So let's just test this. If it works, you can change this to 20 Oh wait, wrong one. 10. No, 2,100. Pete 10. Oh god. This one is supposed to be 20. Let's see. And we were spot on. Exactly 20. So, you'll notice that there's a block right here. We do not allow that. So it's going to be when I click show, then at the end, hi. And if we test that, we'll see that the block is gone. But it's just flat terrain. So how would we get it to be like that? Well, using the pick random block, we can do pick random 7 to 10 minus 30. Then we'll see that it's going faster because I have the FPS bypass app on Scratch add-ons. But we want other things. So there's going to be a change costume right here. Then we can just below that do costume 2. And add that 3 back in. And remove the X on the boxes. And then we'll see that we have dirt generator. Now we're going to duplicate that again. Just get rid of the repeat. Starting such a mixed costume now. And we'll see that we have everything. Now it doesn't really look that smooth. So what we can do is create a new variable. First delete the mod variable. Call it smooth random. That's kind of what we're trying to go for. And credits to Matent for the ideas. We're gonna do at the beginning set smooth random to something like Matent did 8. So I'm going to do 10 maybe? Yeah, I think that's good. Now we can do change smooth random by pick random -1 to 1. And maybe we should set it to 8. And you can see that it really doesn't fix the problem. So you can delete the pick random 7 to 10 and replace it with smooth random. And as you can see, here's the terrain a lot smoother, obviously. But there's no, there's too much stone. So we can do an if then right here. And then do if grab a greater than block or the less than block. If smooth random is less than 4, then you can set smooth random to 4. And same thing here. that. Let's switch the stats. See, swimming gradient is more than 9. Switch swimming gradient to 9. And as you can see, it is really good. You're probably thinking to add grass, and that's what I'm going to use. Convert it to bitmap. I don't know why it does that. There's always like a layer. Oh my god. I can't select it. I didn't change to 23 by 23. It just doesn't set. Like, I don't know why. Yeah, it just doesn't set. See? It's so weird. Gotta try moving it manually. I don't want to copy it. There's gonna be a glitch that happens. See, now it's 23 by 23 again. What is the problem with bitmap? I honestly think bitmap is pretty good. It's just pretty annoying to use. Okay. So then you're just gonna need a pixel by pixel. Well, not pixel by pixel. Get rid of them, right? And the costumes are awful. But if you're like gonna publish this, please make the movie a lot better. So now we can use a random number saying if we can just duplicate this. Costume 4. Yeah, I think if the random minus 1 to 1 equals 0, then search costume to costume 4. Okay, so let's just and I'll start putting on monsters soon, I guess. So my next tutorial is probably going to be how to make like platforming game thing, probably. And I'm going to be posting a game jam soon. Maybe like a month's time or a videos game jam. So yeah, I hope to see you there, and bye!